how to make and create animated logo on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first option, logo. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find animated logo option. Click on see all and choose a template from here. You have many templates, for example this one. Now change the text like this. It's very easy, as you can see. Now let's see how it's gonna be. It's very professional, as you can see. It's animated, and yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.